the captain of the Royal Challengers Bengaluru WPL team, Smriti Mandana. So nice to see you here. What's it like coming back to the Chinnaswamy Stadium as a champion, WPL winners 2026?
I mean, it feels amazing to be back at Chinnaswamy. Very happy that cricket is back at Chinnaswamy, and yeah, so many memories we've had as a team. So really pleased and happy to come back here.
Obviously il banbetu we have 2 stars now nam WPL. We have won 2 trophies now. It feels surreal. I mean, what we love winning, so geddaga I was very happy, and just to come here and after I think 200 odd days coming here in Chinnaswamy Stadium, opening game, nothing can be better than this.
I think I came here the last year when I came in as a Delhi Capitals player, but it feels great to just walk in as a RCB player. You know, you meet your people, and you know, you just see the crowd cheering RCB. It's a great feeling.
You've seen the Chinnaswamy Stadium, you've played here, this is your home. What's it like to actually see the Chinnaswamy Stadium packed this evening? The boys are playing out there, but I'm sure you would have loved the WPL team playing here as well.
Absolutely. I mean, playing in front of this lovely fans and this lovely ground and this beautiful stadium, I just love being here. And obviously we've now won the WPL trophy twice, and now just to come back here, it feels like home for me. And I've always been a die-hard fan of RCB, and whenever I watch the IPL game, that's what I keep telling my teammates also. I am not a cricketer who's watching this IPL matches here in Chinnaswamy, but it's a huge fan who's watching RCB. So I'm a fan, I'm a big fan girl. So I just come here as a proper fan girl who's sitting like none other than, I mean, there are other boys and girls sitting and watching this game. I'm just amongst them.
We had 2 seasons of WPL here. I feel there's a different emotions when you play at Chinnaswamy, the noise, and so I'm so happy that it's a full house, and yeah, I mean, there's no other better sight than watching Chinnaswamy being full, and the cricket is back, most importantly. So yeah, I mean, getting the trophy is not that a big thing, because of course when we won it, I'm sure the people would have enjoyed it and would have been happy. But I'm really happy that cricket is back here.
And what's it like hanging out with the girls here? The IPL match is going on, but the conversations never stop. And who's going to be reaching out to the food first?
Food for sure, it'll be Jemmy or Aru, because she's a huge foodie. But just being here, I mean, now Aru also plays for RCB, and she loves coming here because of the crowd, the energy, the fans, just people chanting RCB, RCB. She loves it. And we're playing against SRH, and I'm like, she's from Hyderabad. I'm like, who are you supporting? And she's like, like that. Then I'm like, dare you tell you're supporting SRH? You'll be gone here in Chinnaswamy. They'll put you inside and they'll all come and hit you. Like that our reaction was. But I know inside her she really loves coming here, and she enjoys. And also Jemmy, she's come here about multiple times. We just love coming here and watching the game, and the crowd. The energy is something we can never match with any other franchise, I would say.
I want to know, and I'm sure a lot of people are curious as to what's your favorite memory, a moment at the Chinnaswamy Stadium. Is it a knock, or is it you captaining RCB here at the Chinnaswamy Stadium playing your games?
Well, my only international cricket is at Chinnaswamy Stadium, so that's one of the fondest memories I have. But nothing can go past my first experience as a captain walking out at Chinnaswamy and not able to hear the presenter speak. I mean, I had never felt it before as a women cricketer, but I mean, the crowd gave me a lot of emotions at that moment, and I feel even at this moment, if I really close my eyes, I can recall that emotion, which is very rare with me. But yeah, I mean, that's one thing which has always stayed with me.
Everywhere I go, people actually know me more as a RCB player. I think it just I've never got this kind of love otherwise, but you know, just grateful and really happy that I'm part of RCB, and just feels great.
And tonight you're here with the girls.
Yeah.
Is the cricket mode still on, or are you girls just having fun? Smriti, Shreyanka, Jemmy, what are the conversations like?
We are just having fun. We're just watching as spectators, as just proper cricket fans. But yeah, it's been great fun just watching the game.